Hey, hey, hey.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited. Now gonna get to clapping. Now pop it for a player, pop it for me.
What?
Turn around and drop it for a player, drop it for me.
And what? What's up, Bomb Squad? This is DC Kool-Aid coming back with another video. It's just me by myself. I was at work, and y'all know when I'm at work, I kind of like put the earbuds in my ear and I listen to people's videos because I can actually do work and listen. It's hard for me to see. Sometimes I flick real quick and I flick it off real fast. But I was watching B-Love video today, and you know, they was doing a Popeyes video. And I think she doesn't know Lisa works at B-Dub. See if y'all familiar with Buffalo Wild Wings. So I told her that B-Love was talking about jerk chicken. So she bought me 10 pieces of jerk chicken. Let me move that over, make it look good. She bought me some jerk chicken, the sauce. She bought the naked wings, but I like the. I don't know if I should pour it on there or should I just dip it like I normally do. I could pour it on there. But these are the wings, and I told her I like celery sticks and carrots. So B-Love was talking about the jerk. Let me pour some on one of them. My brother, he makes this type of stuff on cookouts. He barbecue food, and then he how you call it? He barbecues and then he make jerk chicken all the time. Now, how he make it, I don't know, but it be hot. It be spicy. But I have some blue cheese because I like to dip it in the sauce. I ain't got no paper towel. And I also got the coldest water bottle. You can go down in our description down below and cop you one of these bottles. It's summertime. It's hot outside. Oops, I didn't mean to give out the middle finger. And they stay cold. We used this when we went to the parade. Lisa has her own and I have mine. And keep a jug of water. You just keep pouring it on top of the ice. Trust me, this is good to have right about now. Like I said, you can cop one of these down in our description down below. But back to this jerk chicken. So let's bless it first. Bless the Lord, these I give about to see from about Christ our Lord. Amen. Alright. So I'm gonna be sick. I'm gonna eat a carrot for alright, y'all. So we got the jerk chicken sauce. I just poured some on. And I got blue cheese, so we're gonna see how this tastes. As long as it ain't that taste that I taste the other day with that what is it? Sam Yang sauce. Yeah. Alright, let's see. This is pretty good. Normally, from Buffalo Wild Wings, I normally get Asian Zing. If you're familiar with Asian Zing, try that. But I'm a challenge a couple of people just to try. It ain't no competing or nothing. Just to try these jerk chicken. If you got Buffalo Wild Wings near you, I want Face Squad to get it. This is good. And I want PRISSYP and them to try this jerk chicken. Boss Lady Lexi try this. Key Cam and the fam. Trey, Nene. Who else? Taj Time. I know a lot of y'all. See, B-Love was talking about it, so I can't challenge her. This is so bomb. I'm walking the fat woman's shoes. Try this. It's actually good. It got a spice to it. I can taste the food versus when it's when you eat them hot food, you can taste it because it's basically spicy. Give you some celery and some carrots. I wonder if I would do the hot Samyang sauce with the sauce, with the blue cheese and carrots, whatever it would have knocked it out. This is really bomb. We love this was on the spot. I should take my glasses are dirty. I don't know why I didn't clean them. I like to strip my chicken. I could take it. I'm gonna start experimenting food for y'all. I'm not a mukbang, but just experience different food. People put on YouTube just to see what it tastes like. Cause if it's nasty, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna tell y'all, nasty. Don't eat that. Don't eat that. I don't really eat the skin like that. So, people that I caught out, and if you just want to try them, like ATL, Charlie, well, I'm gonna just go down. I should have bought my phone. Whole bunch of y'all. Everybody. Just try. Cause this is so bomb. People say I don't always eat the chicken right, cause I don't strip it to the used to be eating it like that. She'd take all you don't even see no meat on it anymore. Ooh-wee. It's good. You got like a flavor taste to it with a little small kick to it. Now, I'm just eating hot food from down Louisiana when I go in there, but not as hot as these damn challenges been. I can say that. This is good. I don't know if Steph and Tosh tried these. If you ain't tried, you got Buffalo Wild Wings. Try these jerk chicken. That's good. It's called DC's Kool-Aid Taste Test. That's what you can label it. Taste test. Mukbang. Mukbang taste test. Woo! I told Lisa, this is my dinner. We're supposed to have Taco Tuesday. But she's going to do Taco Wednesday. I just thought about something. B-Love and her husband were talking about they doing a challenge next called the don't say it. You can't say That'd be hard for me. But we do gotta do that singing challenge. I forgot all about it. I gotta put that on the calendar. B-Love singing challenge for 15 minutes. Gotta sing for 15 minutes. Can't talk. I can't sing. I know Lisa can sing. Only ate 3? I ate just 3. I tell people, I might be a big person, My hands are so dirty. And but I don't eat like that. I need some water. Some good old H2O. Ooh, my lips are a little burny, but it's all right. It's not like that other stuff. Ooh wee. So I gotta put some sauce on there. There's no sauce on that one. It's kind of dark. I still like my Asian zings. So if you go to Buffalo Wild Wings, tell me what's your favorite chicken from there. And then if I never ate it, I would try it. Because I say Lisa work at Buffalo Wild Wings as a bartender, but she get the hook up on the chicken. And do you eat your chicken with blue cheese or ranch, or just eat it plain? Excuse me. I can't eat it plain. I think it's flicked in my eye through my glasses. My right eye is burning. The birds are behaving. I had a talk. I told them, give me 10, 15 minutes. Let's get some celery. They whispering. You might can hear them. There's some good old celery. My fingers are messy. Normally I eat 5 wings. I normally don't eat 10 wings. So I might end up taking the other 5 for lunch tomorrow. So that's why I'm getting full. I know something wasn't right. Woo! Alright. So people that I shout out, well, challenge, just to try the jerk chicken. It's called the jerk chicken tryout. Nah, just call it the jerk chicken try mukbang. And then any chicken that you like from B-Dub, let me know so I can try it. Now I already told you my favorite is Asian zing, so I'm always eating Asian zing. This will make your lip a little burning, but it's not that bad. You can tolerate it. Leilani, I didn't forget about you. Try the jerk chicken. It's not a time, not a race. It's just try it. Jerk chicken. Leilani. Mmm. Like I said, it is spicy. It is spicy. but not too spicy. It got a nice flavor. Lisa got a cooking video coming. Be on the lookout. I already recorded. I just gotta edit. Okay. Died. I'm back. Anyway, like I said, Lisa got a video coming up. I just have to edit it. It'll be out there sometime soon. Alright, y'all. This is DC Kool-Aid. I'm full. I don't eat 10 wings. 5 is the most. I ate 5. They short me a wing because there's only 4 over there and 5. I gotta tell Lisa they short me a wing. But anyway, for the ones that I called out, go ahead and order these jerk chicken from Buffalo Wild Wings. Jerk chicken. And get on camera and show us what you think about it. Taste it. Like I said, it's a little spicy. It's not as bad as that stuff I ate that last time that I only could eat 2 wings. It's not like that. It's actually good. It got a flavor to it. It's a little spicy. But that's what jerk chicken is. Jerk chicken is spicy. Get you some carrots and some celery, blue cheese or some ranch or whatever you like of your choice. Down in the comment down below. Make sure you tell me what type of chicken you like from Buffalo Wild Wings and I'll try it. Down in the comment down below. I will try it. Let's see if I like it. I bet I'll be nasty. But anyway, why I put that in my mouth? This is DC Kool-Aid. Wait a minute, nope. Hit that like button. Hit that like button right now. Smash that notification bell for every time we drop a video, you'll be notified. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share videos with your family, friends, your co-workers, people on the corner. Share videos. Give them something to laugh about. And, what else I missed? I think that's it. Where's Lisa? Anyway, this is DC Kool-Aid, and I'm out. Peace.
Yeah. DC Kool-Aid and Lisa doing challenge on your head top. Yeah, you know what's happening when you tune in. Story times, pranks, and vlogging, man. Be a great big family, we the bomb squad. We on that grind to a number with a K. Best believe you'll stay. You can chill with the fam like most of y'all do. DC Kool-Aid, Lisa, and Nick too. With Charles and Barbie living that YouTube life. We love our fans and supporters, we a family dude. So come on down to Bomb Squad Town. Have a seat watching videos. And nobody likes to hate, keep it positive and have a nice day. Oh, I forgot. Smash that like button. Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad. Hey!